Here is a detailed, exam-oriented, and clinical explanation of apomorphine with expanded points under each heading. #apomorphine, detailed study note. Number 1, basic information. Generic name, apomorphine hydrochloride. Drug class, dopamine agonist, anti-Parkinson agent. Brand names, Apokin, ApoGo. Available forms, subcutaneous injection, most common, sublingual film, used in some countries. Number 2, definition. Apomorphine is a potent, fast-acting, non-ergot dopamine receptor agonist used as a rescue medication to relieve sudden motor fluctuations, OFF episodes, in patients with advanced Parkinson's disease. Unlike levodopa, it directly stimulates dopamine receptors without requiring metabolic conversion. Number 3, mechanism of action. Axon D1-like receptors, D1, D5, D2-like receptors, D2, D3, D4. Physiological effect. Parkinson's disease involves loss of dopaminergic neurons in the substantia nigra. Apomorphine directly stimulates postsynaptic dopamine receptors, improves motor control, reduces rigidity, bradykinesia, and tremors. Additional effects: activates chemoreceptor trigger zone, causes nausea, vomiting, mild serotonergic and adrenergic activity. Number 4, pharmacokinetics. Absorption, rapid via subcutaneous route, bioavailability 100%. Distribution, widely distributed in body, crosses blood-brain barrier quickly. Metabolism, primarily hepatic metabolism, sulfation is the major pathway. Elimination, excreted mainly in urine. Time profile, onset 10 to 20 minutes, peak 20 to 40 minutes, duration 60-90 minutes, half-life 30 to 60 minutes. Number 5, uses. Primary use, acute intermittent treatment of OFF episodes in Parkinson's disease. Other off-label uses. Erectile dysfunction, historical, rarely used now. Diagnostic test for dopaminergic responsiveness. Number 6, indications. Advanced Parkinson's disease with motor fluctuations, freezing episodes, sudden immobility. Patients not adequately controlled by oral therapy, e.g. levodopa. Number 7, contraindications. Absolute hypersensitivity to apomorphine, concomitant use with 5-HT3 antagonists, e.g. ondansetron, granisetron, causes severe hypotension and loss of consciousness. Relative, severe hepatic impairment, severe renal impairment, cardiovascular disease, history of psychosis. 8. Precautions. Before taking, monitor, blood pressure, risk of orthostatic hypotension, ECG, QT prolongation risk, psychiatric monitoring, hallucinations, impulse control disorders, elderly patients, increased risk of confusion and falls. Antiemetic pretreatment, usually trimethylbenzamide is started 3 days before. How to use. Administer subcutaneously only, abdomen, thigh, upper arm. Never give, intravenously, risk of severe hypotension. Steps. 1. Use prefilled pen or syringe. 2. Inject during onset of OFF symptoms. 3. Rotate injection sites. First dose must be supervised in hospital. 10. Dosing information. Initiation. Test dose 2 mg SC. Monitor BP and response. Titration. Increase by 1 to 2 mg per dose based on effectiveness and tolerance. Typical dose 2 to 6 mg per injection. Maximum usually 20 mg per day. Minimum interval at least 2 hours between doses. 11. Missed dose by overdose. Missed dose. Not scheduled. Take only when needed. Skip if no OFF episode. Overdose. Symptoms. Severe hypotension, bradycardia, respiratory depression, extreme sedation. Management, supportive treatment, monitor airway, breathing, circulation, IV fluids for hypotension. Number 12, when to stop or avoid. Severe adverse reactions, syncope, hallucinations, cardiac arrhythmias, persistent vomiting, development of severe behavioral changes, allergic reactions. 13, side effects. Common, nausea and vomiting, very common. Dizziness, yawning, sweating, injection site nodules. Moderate, orthostatic hypotension, somnolence, confusion. Severe, hallucinations, psychosis, impulse control disorders, gambling, hypersexuality, QT prolongation, arrhythmias, sudden sleep attacks. Number 14, vital key clinical points. Rapid rescue drug, not for maintenance therapy. Always use antiemetic initially. Avoid sudden standing after dose. Educate patient on self-injection technique. Short duration. Repeated dosing may be required. 15. Drug interactions. Severe interaction. 5-HT3 antagonists. Ondansetron. Collapse. Moderate. Antihypertensives. additive hypotension, CNS depressants, increase sedation, dopamine antagonists, antipsychotics, reduce effect. Other, QT prolonging drugs, arrhythmia risk. Number 16, drug comparison feature apomorphine, levodopa, pramipexole. Type, dopamine agonist precursor, dopamine agonist, onset, very rapid, moderate, slow, duration short, medium, long, use, rescue, maintenance, route, SC, oral, oral. Number 17, patient teaching. 1. Purpose of the medicine. This medicine is used to treat sudden off episodes in Parkinson's disease. It helps you move better when your regular medication stops working temporarily. It is a rescue medication, not for daily routine use. Part 2. How to use the medicine. Use only when symptoms appear, e.g. stiffness, freezing, given as a subcutaneous injection under the skin. Common sites, abdomen, thigh, upper arm. Do not inject into the same site repeatedly. Rotate sites. Important. Never inject into a vein, not IV. First dose should be given under doctor supervision. Follow proper technique as taught by healthcare provider. 3. Before taking each dose, sit or lie down before injection, prevents fainting. Take anti-nausea medicine if prescribed. Check dose, expiry date, clarity of solution. Number 4. After taking the dose, remain seated or lying down for some time. Stand up slowly to avoid dizziness or fainting. Avoid sudden movements. 5. Safety precautions. Avoid driving or operating machinery until you know how it affects you. This medicine may cause sudden sleep attacks. Avoid alcohol, increases drowsiness. 6. What to report immediately. Tell your doctor if you experience severe dizziness or fainting, hallucinations, seeing, hearing things, irregular heartbeat, severe nausea or vomiting, shortness of breath. 7. Behavioral changes, very important. This drug may cause impulse control problems, gambling, excess shopping, increased sexual urges. Inform family members to watch for these changes. Report immediately to doctor. Number 8. Common side effects, patient awareness, nausea, vomiting, dizziness, sleepiness, injection site swelling. 9. Drug and food interactions. Do not take with certain anti-nausea drugs like ondansetron. Inform doctor about all medications, herbal supplements. 10. Missed dose advice. No fixed schedule. Take only when needed. Do not double the dose. 11. Storage instructions. Store at room temperature. Keep away from light. Keep out of reach of children. 12. General advice. Carry medication when going out. Keep emergency contact details. Regular follow-up with doctor is important. Caregivers should also be trained. Quick patient reminder. Easy to remember. Use when needed. Inject under skin. Sit after dose. Report unusual behavior. Thank you. Have a nice day.